more than just your cheeks and your lips. We have Alfie and Jeanna here, both expert injectors at Utah Facial Plastics, to discuss some surprising uses for dermal fillers, because I think traditionally you think we're going to put it in our lips, we're going to do some fine lines with it, but you can do much more, including hollow temples, which our girl Nicea has done.
Yes.
Let's talk, where are those? If you say the words hollow temples, Jeanna,
okay,
what are we talking about?
Right through here, so you'll notice just a little indent, a little hollowing.
I call it my Skeletor area. Because you start feeling like, how on earth, like my cheeks, everything goes away. And what age does this happen, and who does it happen to?
Everybody. Aging, it's the aging process. Maybe in like the 30s, 40s, you might start to notice that hollowing there.
Okay, so when you inject, how do you inject the temples there?
Well, there's a couple different methods that we can use and different options of products that we can use. So we can use filler, or another really good option is to use Sculptra, which actually stimulates your own collagen production.
Ooh, I like that.
How do you know
the gift that keeps on giving? One to use when you come in.
Filler is going to be more of an instant result. Sculptra is a little bit more, you have to do a series of treatments, but it's going to be longer lasting. So it kind of really just depends on what result you're going for and what time you want to put into it.
I'm so glad they took this picture, the before and after, because now we can show you what we're talking about. It's right on the side of your eye that just you wake up one morning and go, where did that go? Where did that volume go? But look at the volume on the right, how much younger you look. You look rested. Yes. It's like this rested, relaxed look with that filler.
Lifted.
All right, so another thing you can do is earlobe rejuvenation.
Yes, earlobe. People don't think about their earlobes, but they age, and with heavy earrings and all that, and a little bit of filler in it restores the volume and actually can change the shape.
Wait.
Whoa,
Stop it. Stop it. No, I'm not kidding. Her earlobes have let me see. I love having a best friend on the show. It's true. Oh my gosh, but look. Wait, I don't think we can get that close.
I think I have that too. I'm hoping we can.
No, it is. I mean, we've worn some heavy earrings, but you have a cute little earring. Where would you inject that? Okay.
Right into your earring.
Look at this. Look at her little earring. Do you see how heavy? See how it's like all the way down?
And it helps, it makes it so your earrings don't feel as heavy.
Okay.
Like, it's kind of magic.
And you just put it at the bottom of it?
Yeah.
It doesn't even, it's like getting an ear pierced, right?
Not even that.
Not even that.
No, not even to that level.
Oh gosh, and would we just come in and say, what do you think? And you'll assess?
I'll do it before you even know it.
Really? All of it. I'm like, I need to go talk. She's like, we're done. All right, Jeanna, let's jump into neck wrinkles. So many people focus on their face and forget about the neck.
Right.
Where can you fill there?
So a lot of us have these horizontal lines right here called the necklace lines. A new term is the tech neck, because we're always looking at our phones, looking down. We're making those lines worse.
Standing up like this right now.
Yep.
So that's what it is. I'm not aging. It's just my phone.
It's my phone. Blame it on the phone.
But this isn't even just age. Like, a lot of people have neck kind of issues like that.
Yes, for sure. So we can do it with, we can treat it with filler. There's a couple of different fillers that are really good. My go-tos are Velour or Volbella, and it's a really simple, fast procedure just to soften those lines.
Okay, what about hand rejuvenation? I mean, you think of aging, sometimes it's your neck, but people forget about their hands.
They forget about their hands.
Alfie, the before and after.
Right,
wow.
Isn't that awesome? Yeah, and Wrestle and Lift is the first FDA-approved filler to do the hands with, and it's amazing. It fills in, because you start to see your tendons and your bones and your veins, and people forget, and it's one of the first signs of aging. So.
I love my mom, and my hands look like my mom. It's so, don't you look down one day and say, wait a second. Yeah. They do, they look similar.
I'll never forget the first time I went, oh. I think I was getting trained on hands.
Well, because a lot of times we don't put sunscreen on our hands, and our hands are always in the sun, especially in Utah. What's interesting, girls, is a different filler for each spot. There are that many fillers and options out there now?
Yeah, and there's, like, they have their own little spot, all of them.
And how often would I be having that done? How long would it last if I did my hands?
This usually lasts a few years, the hands.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a couple years, like 2, I would say.
I feel like yours look great right now. They do? I think it's because I put sunscreen on them because I'm golfing so much. Probably a good idea. I listen to what you say, Alfie. She's like sunscreen, sunscreen. I listen to what they say next because you have something special for our viewers, Jeanna.
Yes, so we're offering 10 complimentary Botox units with any filler purchase, as well as with the hand rejuvenation, we're offering a skin lightening cream for those dark spots that you might have, and also a nail polish that's $104 value that you get with the hand
It's
rejuvenation.
you only better. It's you just refreshed.
Yes.
Nisha and I
love
are
that.
actually 107, but we've been going to Utah Facial Plastics for a while, and they will fix you up.
Speak for
Gina,
yourself.
so nice to meet you, Alfie. Love you. I'm
Love
going to come see you immediately.
Yes.
I'm only
today.
99. Thank you for being on the
Speak for
show.
yourself.
UtahFacialPlastics.com for more information. We'll put the information on our website.
Up next, this makes me feel refreshed as well. Pork Pam and
As well.
Jeanna in the kitchen. We'll be right back.